Good morning. My name is Gary Hardie. I'm the president of the Lynwood School Board here. Just wanted to say hi to you all and give you a quick update on our efforts to make sure that learning continues throughout the school closure. But first, I wanted to thank our Lynwood staff for being proactive and planning for something we never thought we'd see, which is a complete closure of our schools. As you know, our schools will be closed from the 16th through the 27th at the very least. And then after that point, we'll come back and reconvene and see if it's feasible to get back to classes as soon as possible. We also want to remind you that we're offering food services every day for breakfast and lunch for all of our kids at sites located around Lynwood to ensure that the people that need access to meals have access to those as well. And finally, I want to remind you guys that this is a trying time for all of us. Someone like myself that has asthma is especially vulnerable to this virus. So what's important that we all do our part and stay home if we can. Make sure you continue to wash your hands, to sanitize whenever possible, and keep those neighbors like our senior citizens in mind, and make sure that we're checking on each other throughout this crisis. I'm very proud to be a Lynwood native today, seeing how we came together in a short amount of notice, but I know that we can do better going forward as we continue to defeat this crisis and this spread here in the city of Lynwood, but throughout our state and country. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.